أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. Dear friends, the opening surah of Holy Quran, Allah said Maaliki Yawmid-Deen, so owner of the day of judgment. So Allah is the owner of the day of judgment. So that day, Yawmid-Deen, the day of judgment, is very important. In Quran, Allah said that day, length of that day is khamsina al-fasana. So it means 50,000 years. So that day is so long, equal to 50,000 years. And if you go look the Maurice Bucaille, who was French physician, and at the time of King Faisal, he visited Saudi Arabia and researched on Islam, and he was Christian, so he has written a book, Bible, Quran, and Science. And after that, he analyzed from Adam alayhi salam till the time uh, when King Faisal was ruling Saudi Arabia. So he said nearly 10,000 years have been passed from Adam alayhi salam till that time. If you look from that time till now, or to the time that look like ending of this world, how many more years possible? Maybe 1,000, 2,000, 3,000? Because mostly the signs of the day of judgment are visible. That has been told to us by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this way, the main thing is that the iman and good deeds. So what we are doing now in this world. So the angels are writing, recording all of our deeds, and also with iman, how strong it is. Because if iman is strong, then it produces good deeds. So the iman is important thing, and difference between the kuffar and Muslim is only iman. They also do some good deeds, but Muslims has iman, and with iman, faith, belief, so then deeds make the status more high, more high. So we will see this reward at the day of judgment, as Allah said, Maaliki Yawmid-Deen, Allah is the owner of the day of judgment. Owner is like everything of that day will be under full control of Allah. Like in this world, there are many owners. Like some people, they are owners of the houses, owner of the things. They say we own this thing, that thing. Even the king said, king can say that I'm a owner of the whole country, and like queen say, I am the owner of this UK. So the main thing is that, so in this world, so the many owners are available, and they say we are the owners, and our orders, our commands are valid everywhere, up to the level or the limit of our kingdom, or the, so this way the people, they have to obey, must be obedient to us. But at the day of judgment, there is no any king, no any person, owner of anything except Allah. So Allah will be the owner of everything. So everything will be under control of Allah. So this way, that day is so long, like 50,000 years, one day. So age of that day is more times bigger than the age of this world. So a person who will be given the deeds in written record, so that person will look at deeds again and again, and will decide, and after assessment, that I am not able to go to Jannah, or I am able to go to paradise or to hell. So everyone will assess from the deeds that will be given in the format of paper or something. So booklet. So that booklet will be read by the person how many times at the day, when it will be 50,000 years. So that everyone will decide that where is my place. So that is the Maaliki Yawmid-Deen. That day is the Malik. Malik is owner. So Allah is will be the owner only. So if we are having good relationship with Allah, and we respect Allah, we respect the prophets, and respect and regard what the commands of Allah. We have to obey that. We must be nice, obedient person towards Allah, and have a good relationship, friendship with Allah, and that will be the have a more weight at the day of judgment. So that inshallah, then there is chances that Allah will be kind to us, and maybe the chances to go to Jannah, because our deeds, if you look our deeds and iman, so is a problem, so they will have no more weight, because is we can't have to follow every time like according to the teachings of Islam. So we are deviation many times. You can see there are many deviations, and anything which is away from the Islam, if disliked by Allah, that thing is a big problem on the scale at the day of judgment. That will have more heavy weight. So that will be a trouble and big problem for us. So this way we must be obedient to Allah under the guidance we got from the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This way the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, like he said, I am leaving two things, Holy Quran and Sunnah, and until you will follow these two things, you will not go astray, you will be at right track. So we have to follow that, so that, and make good relationship with Allah at the day of judgment. Then we can expect that we will win the Allah's kindness, and inshallah then our place will be in Jannah.